Here we have this 65 plate BMW 335D XDRIVE M Sport. It comes with £9,000 worth of factory extras, all of which are listed on our website. We've got the LED headlights with the black kidney grille in the centre. We've also got front and rear parking sensors with an in-car display for that. We've got the 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels with the blue M Sport design caliper behind. This does have the M Sport brakes. We've got the privacy glass at the rear for the passengers with a black trim around the outside, colour-coded door handles with the black mirrors. We've also got the shark fin antenna up top, carbon fibre spoiler on the tailgate just there, and as we come around to the rear you can see we've got the twin exit exhaust integrated into the carbon diffuser and the parking sensors running across the centre of the bumper. Now this car does come free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So to just take you to the interior, you can see we've got the all black leather with the ISOFIX points and the armrest in the centre. We've also got the blue trim on the door with the electric windows. Onto the front, same styling front seats, all black leather. Both of these seats are heated, and there is a look at those. We've also got the electric windows on the door just here with the side mirrors, and we've got the premium Harman Kardon sound system, automatic lights with the automatic wipers and the multifunctional steering wheel. Taking a seat inside, you can see on the steering wheel that we've got the cruise control and speed limiter with a paddle shift behind, and we've also got the volume button and the paddle shift behind on the right hand side. Onto the centre, we've got the screen with all of the other functions. We've also got the dual climate control, we've got the heated seats on both sides, we've also got heated rear window air control. We've got the automatic gearbox with the different drive modes, function buttons for the screen with the handbrake. We've also, you can just take a look there, we've got the multimedia radio navigation. We've also got the armrest just here, but that's all I'm going to show you guys today. For more information on this vehicle, you can head to the website or give our sales team a call. This car comes with a fresh MOT and a fresh service and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.